Hey everyone, here's as always Martin, and today I'm going to talk about something super exciting because today I'm putting on sale all of the actions I have and all of the actions I could possibly use for my Photoshop work. So I'm showing you the image that was highly popular a few weeks ago. I did color grading video on this channel. It got few thousand views. You seems to enjoyed this video, and I'm showing this because one of the actions was used in the color grading. The color grading I did is now offered as an action. So which action I'm offering, let me show you quickly. So there will be retouching actions, dodge and burn actions, and after that fashion collection actions, warm collection actions, chill collection actions, matte touch actions, black and white actions, absolutely everything you could possibly imagine for your Photoshop work. And one of these actions, as you can see, I was doing is called In the Forest. I use it to create this moody, darker climate on the image. Then we make it pop with final adjustments. And what's really great about these actions, they go so well with the images that you can blend them all together. So for example, this is the final product, but let's say you want to go further. You want to try different colors because you're looking for your own style. And the fact that you will be using my own actions doesn't mean that you will lose your own style, because you can blend them in different ways in the way I don't. So you will get very special results. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the final image I did before, but let's say you want to apply the action that is called Nice, one of my favorites from the collection. So I'm going to play it, and here is the result. Absolutely different mood. A little too warm maybe, don't worry, because if it's too warm, you're just lowering the opacity. So let's say you want to go further, and ABS Vibrant, some random name of the action, because it was slightly experimental, and we're going with something different, and this will be a very different climate. And here we have again another different outcome. If you think too strong, just lower the opacity, adjust this the way you really like. As you can see, manipulating the image is really easy. Manipulate with the actions, finding the right amount of the effect you want to apply is really easy. And this is just really actions that I choose. I didn't plan, and you can see they go so well with the image. No matter what you're going to choose, the actions will blend. You can find your own style. You can blend the actions for searching for your special effect. I will actually make another video, probably somewhere next week, where I present all of the actions or most of the actions on some image to show you that how well they work on photo. Even you have the same photo, you apply different actions, and this photo still look good, even it has different colors. It's super rare. So where you can get them, I opened the shop on Selfie. So the price is $29. It's absolutely nothing for the amount of the actions. It's 100 actions, 50 color grading actions. I saw the shops that sell 3 actions for the same price, and actions, to be honest, are not worth, because with 3 actions you don't even have a choice. And what's even better, in the description you use coupon code called with capitals YouTube20 to get 30%. So you will pay $20 for the actions. You want to create the images similar to mine. You want to create your own style. You will go with my actions. I'm thinking, what should I type here? Let's say Soft Blast. Let's try another one. And as you can see, another different variation. My language is not really perfect. So you can see whatever you will like to create. Just get the actions now available, and in 4 hours there is another Photoshop tutorial, 25 minutes cleaning up and color grading. So after this video, make sure you come back in 4 hours to watch another great Photoshop tutorial, and soon I will be back with much more stuff for you on this channel, because there is a lot of things coming. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in 4 hours in the next video.